Hello guys, how you doing? It's guys like a automotive technician Zurich, Switzerland. Today I'll show you that the Android 4.2 Toyota Previa GPS CD player that I'm going to check and everything off. Then I'll show you how you repair the CD changer. Then I'm going to take the cable at the back side. As you can see, the GPS here, the antenna cable right here. GPS connector here. Antenna. The power side. Just nice and easy, pull it out. It's okay. So I just take everything off. Then I'm going to show you that how you're gonna repair it. And USB cable. So this is how you're going to dismount the Previa Android 4.2. I'm going to take it home and I'll show you how you're doing it. Thank you for watching my videos.